In 2025, I made over $8 million online. I got in the best shape of my life. I traveled the world for nearly 4 months, and I nearly doubled my following online.
Working harder will not make you rich in 2026, leverage will.
Best year yet with AI is understanding why most people won't have their best year yet in 2026. Because if you don't understand the problem, you can't actually fix it. So here's what usually happens. Most people's plan for 2026 is going to be simple. It's just to try harder. Work more hours, go to the gym more, post more content.
The people winning with AI aren't grinding more hours. They're getting 10 to 100 times more output from the same effort. AI is leverage because it works 24/7 without burnout. If you're not using it, you're competing against people who are.
And for 99% of them, they're going to be burnt out by March. And they'll end up in the exact same place at the end of the year, wondering what's wrong with them. But in the AI era, this strategy is completely outdated.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
See, most people believe that the only way to get more is to do more. Like more effort equals more results. But that's a lie. And the most successful people in the world don't necessarily work harder than you. They just have something that you don't, which is leverage. It's when you put in a small amount of effort.
But before you make more money, you need to buy back your time.
The first power is the power to automate. And this is the ability to take any repetitive task in your life and get AI to do it for you. You're literally creating more time in a day to make progress on what actually matters in your life. And this is such an essential first step. And the truth is that most people waste 5 to 10 hours every single week doing the same boring tasks over and over again.
Most people waste hours every week on repetitive tasks. AI can do that work instantly and perfectly. Automation doesn't make you lazy, it makes you effective. It creates time where there was none.
Scheduling meetings and summarizing emails and prepping for calls and organizing data. And I used to do all that crap too, but not anymore, thankfully. And of course, there are levels and levels to this power of AI automation.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
But here's a simple way that I use it in my own life to save a few hours a week that any beginner can apply to their own life and save hours every week also. So for this channel, I do about 2 to 3 podcasts every week. And before every episode, I used to spend 2 to 3 hours researching the guest. I'd read their bio, watching their interviews, coming up with.
And once you have time, the real advantage begins.
Is the power to build. This is the ability to create your own custom tools and software without having to write a single line of code yourself. As you probably know, for most of recent history, if you wanted to create your own custom app or software, you had 2 options. You either spend thousands hiring a developer.
Saving time is good, but building tools once is better. AI removed the 2 biggest barriers, coding skills and developer costs. If you can explain a problem clearly, you can now build the solution. That's how value is created in 2026.
Or you spend years learning to code yourself. And thanks to AI, this is no longer the case, because for the cost of a Netflix subscription, anyone can use tools like Lovable, Bolt, or Google's incredible AI Studio to be able to build your own tools and software. You simply need to be able to explain to the AI what you want, and then it will build it for you in minutes. So if you're a student, you can use it to create a flashcard app that tracks your progress and kind of gamifies your learning. Or if you're an employee, you can turn that boring spreadsheet you've been staring at for 2 years into a beautiful dashboard.
And once you can build solutions, you need people to notice them.
The third power is the power to create. And this is the ability to generate professional quality images, video, and music instantly. And here's why this matters. A picture tells 1,000 words, right? And so a video tells way more than that. And so that alone is leverage, right? With that video, you're able to say in 10 seconds what would have taken 10 minutes to explain.
You can build the smartest product in the world. But if nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. AI lets you create professional images and videos in minutes. That's attention at scale.
With words. And right now, AI creative tools are going absolutely fucking insane. They're getting so good. Here's the kind of stuff you can do. Say you wanted to launch an e-commerce store yourself. Lots of people have thought of that at some point. You can now generate professional product photos in any style, in any setting, any lighting, without a fancy photographer. Or say you're going to build a personal brand, make content. You can start to create Instagram posts or ads or content that looks completely legit without a design.
And attention alone isn't enough.
One of power is probably my favorite, and that is the power to connect. And this is the ability to write clearly and persuasively and use that skill to build an audience, influence people, or just communicate better in your job. And if I'm honest, this one is kind of optional. Not everyone wants to build a personal brand or become a content creator or a marketer, and that's totally fine. But here's the thing.
Images make people stop scrolling, but words make them trust you. Clear writing persuades, influences, and moves people to act. And AI now lets you communicate with precision, not guesswork.
Being able to write well and clearly is a superpower because it allows you to persuade and to influence and to clearly communicate your ideas in a way that moves people. And that is insanely powerful, whether you are using it to write better emails at work, or to create content on LinkedIn or X, or to write killer marketing copy for your ads, or build a YouTube channel like this one. It's incredibly powerful to know how to do that. And for me, this has been by far one of the most life-changing skills that I've ever worked.
When you combine leverage, automation, building, creation, and connection, you stop chasing opportunities. They come to you. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.